Kumusta mga kaisla? Welcome to my channel. I'm Drini. Today, we're gonna unbox some of the components that have arrived during this week. Since most of our components will come abroad because sourcing the components locally is very hard. And we're still in a pandemic, so hopefully next week, all of our components will arrive and we could do the build. So, these parts, okay. Chromax Noctua fan, NF-A12 PWM fan. So yeah. And we'll be pairing it with a CPU cooler or big Shuriken. So we'll be pairing this and this together. Although the big Shuriken has a stock fan, but yeah, we prefer Noctua. Noctua number 1, 3800X. Strix 57 570i. Over here. So this is our case. This is the Nouvolo Steck. We have the side panels. Side panel, yes. The side panels here. This is actually a CNC aluminum. We have the extension, PCIe extension. We have our motherboard holder and power supply bracket. Front and back. Then this, the quality of the material is really good. So we have more brackets here, and we have the filters and rubber grommets. Then this is the top hat. So this is our top hat. Oh, we have side panels, metal, glass side panels. Okay. If you want to see your sick components, or maybe if you're gonna do some water cooling. And this is the top hat. So another bracket and screws. And we have it. The quality is really good. These are Noctua. So we have the fan, then we have the different colors for the edges for attachments. This are big Shuriken. there, you can see. So this is our fan. We're gonna replace it with this one. You see? So this is our 3800. So we have our warranty here. 2-year warranty for the Philippines. And we have our Ryzen processor. So that's the contents of the base and stock unit of Nouvolo Steck. So if you purchase it, that's what you get. For me, the quality is really good. Thick aluminum, the packaging, it is well done and well prepared. So hopefully next week, all of the components are here and we could do a build featuring this case. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. That would really help the algorithm. And thank you for watching and see you on the next one.